tap water you can drink directly. This stainless steel faucet changes everything. Premium 304 stainless steel construction ensures durability and corrosion resistance. The sleek design complements sunny kitchen style. Use filtered water directly for cooking rice and soups. Enjoy healthier meals with pure water. Switch between gentle stream for drinking and powerful spray for cleaning. Cold and hot water options available. The high-pressure spray efficiently cleans dishes while saving water. No more separate water filters needed. 360-degree rotation allows easy cleaning of the entire sink area. Keep your kitchen spotless with this. Transform your daily water experience. This stainless steel faucet with built-in filtration brings health and convenience to your family's life.